Good morning. Ooh, it's wind's picking up all of a sudden. I am at the cloud walk is what this is called, the Cloud Trail. And it's right next to the cable car that I'm trying to get a ride on right over there. Right, sun. I just finished returning the car, the rental car that is, and yeah, that was a pretty easy process. This cloud walk's not actually all set though, or finished. The part that I'm on is actually okay. Like, obviously I wouldn't be standing on it if I was worried I'd fall into the water below, the ocean below I should say. But there's actually another section of this whole path that's actually blocked off, and you can't get onto that. That being said, this is a cool little free pathway that you can come and stand right underneath the cable cars as they come and go. It's pretty neat, and it's just right across the street from it. Like, again, there's the cable car and there's the street right over there, I think. Can't see it, the glare is too crazy, but as you walk on, there's it's just great views. You can also see through parts of the deck, so you can see the water below you. Other than that, on my kind of walk over to the cable car, I actually took a wrong turn by a police station because there was a sign that actually said if you make a turn there that you'll actually reach the cable car station faster, whereas there's actually a main road that you're supposed to take in order to get there. Oops. Yeah, that's pretty much. So on the cloud walk, there isn't like a little island portion that you have to go onto. So it's nice decks like I'm on right now, and then it turns into a little island type deal. And on that island they have like statues of different things. Now, unfortunately for me, everything is purely in Korean, so I can't actually read any of it or understand any of it. But one of the statues kind of looks like the Little Mermaid type of a deal, except the prince is in Korean attire. So other than that, I mean, it's worth just taking a quick walk out on. So just a real short video this time around. I'm gonna go ahead and head on over to the cable car so I can get on my next cable car ride. All right, till the next vid.